What every man needs to know to keep your wife madly in love with you. Whether you're single, engaged, or married, how do you keep the love alive? There's nothing like feeling deeply accepted, respected, seen, understood, and cherished. When we start to feel this with another person, many people tend to just rush right in and marry her. And the truth is, you should marry her. It's a good thing. However, what do you do when unexpected questions start to creep into your mind? Questions like, well, we're both busy people. Are we going to start to drift apart? Questions like, are we going to stay attracted to each other? Or maybe, what if we start to become just roommates instead of soulmates? What if this incredible relationship we've created starts to feel less satisfying? These are normal questions, especially when society tends to poison our minds with things like, oh, honeymoon phase can't last forever, right? Oh, is the honeymoon phase over yet? Whether you are single and feeling a little bit nervous about marriage and what exactly that entails, or maybe you're engaged or newly married, or maybe you've been married a long time, whichever stage you're at right now, I have some very good news for you. I'm about to share the easiest way to have a healthy, passionate, deeply connected marriage without drama and a lot of exhaustion. You want to know what it is? It's actually super awesome. You ready? Maintenance. It's as simple as that. Once you have a loving relationship with the girl of your dreams and you fully committed to each other, it's as simple as maintenance and continuing to learn and grow together. The truth is, most people don't know this, so pay close attention. Being good at marriage is simply a skill, just like everything else in life. A skill that the two of you improve and refine together, each person doing their part. And if you're not married yet, you get a massive head start by learning these things now instead of waiting until there's a problem. So, how can you do this? You're a busy person. You don't need more stress, right? You don't really want to spend hours researching and planning how to improve these skills. Wouldn't it be nice if there was a simple place you could go to work on one skill at a time so you can improve your love life, boost your confidence, and deepen your relationship? Wouldn't it be nice if all the heavy lifting was done for you so you could reap the rewards without the headache? I've got good news for you, because that's exactly what I've got for you today. My all-new membership is for married couples, engaged couples, and men who maybe haven't tied the knot yet, but want to feel prepared and confident as they get ready for the next exciting step in your love journey. And here's the coolest part. I'm inviting a small group of founding members to join me right from the beginning. As a founding member, you'll get to help shape the membership to fit your relationship needs. You'll also get early access at the lowest price this will ever be. Just $35. And as long as you stay a member in good standing, you are locked in at that price. It will never go up for you, even though it's definitely going to go up as I continue to launch it in the future. This membership of just $35 gets you access for you and for your spouse or your future spouse. So it's two for the price of one. You'll learn simple, time-tested strategies to create a marriage other people admire. I don't know, you might even make your family and friends a little bit jealous, just to be real. We'll focus on one topic each month with clear action steps so you can spend your time focusing on your relationship instead of watching hours of content. I'm here to make it very convenient and very simple for you. Rather than a relationship full of fighting and angry raised voices, you can instead feel heard and understood. We'll talk about things like keeping the bedroom fun and interesting, because yes, that is a large part of marriage and it's a delightful part. We'll talk about love languages and forgiveness languages, how to keep date nights from getting too boring, and a whole lot more. Oh, and if you've ever worried about attraction dying, don't worry, I got your back. We're going to talk about how to make sure you both stay ridiculously attractive for each other. As you apply the principles you learn, you can quickly feel like a master at something that most people, whether married or not, never truly understand. If you want deeper love and a more passionate connection, if you want a marriage where you feel cherished and adored, and maybe your family and friends even feel a little bit jealous, then this is for you. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment and join as a founding member now. This opportunity to join and get in as a founding member at the lowest price possible is only good until the end of tonight. It's gone tomorrow, and there's a limited amount of people I can welcome as founding members. So join now. Don't wait. Click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. As a coach, I'm on a mission to help support marriage and family and relationships. Why? Because loneliness is horrible. And I truly believe that marriage is sacred and family is ordained of God. And I'm here to help make it as simple and easy as possible for as many people as possible to have happy marriages where you feel cherished and loved and adored. And she does too. This is my goal with this. And as a founding member, you get to help shape this. So once again, click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment. Join now as a founding member. I am so excited to see all God has planned for you and your relationship. Let's do this. I'll see you inside the membership.